Hi guys, I'm here to do a mini lesson with you all about organizational patterns. Guys, organizational patterns is a pattern that allows the passage to outline its ideas or for the ideas to flow. The most common organizational pattern is chronological order in the events that it happened. In informational text, there are different types of patterns that could be used, such as examples, definition, compare and contrast, classification, cause and effect, problems and solutions, the pros and cons, aka advantages and disadvantages. Now, the reason it's important to understand organization patterns is because it helps the reader to understand. Also, it helps you to remember the logical flow of ideas and it improves our writing. Now, the application is simply this, guys. You have to pay attention to the text because signal words may or may not be used, but signal words are a strong indication of what type of organizational pattern is used. However, signal words are not always there. So the important question is to ask yourself, what is the main idea? How does the author prove or support what he or she is trying to say? Now, commonly for us, guys, we're going to be asked to, if the organizational pattern, does it describe, give you a description of what's going on? Does it explain to give you information? Does it illustrate or show a point? And lastly, is to identify. Guys, with all things that we do, please read and consider what is the author trying, how does the author prove or support their main idea? That's what the organizational pattern is used for, to prove or support their main idea. All right. Again, they may ask you to identify, to explain, to illustrate, or to show. And you may even be asked to compare and contrast, guys. So pay attention to the signal words, and that will assist you. Thank you.